Hi and welcome to Pursuing Pretty. Today I'm going to be showing you how I achieve my long curls with the Whirl Trio from T3 Micro. So today I'm going to be showing you how to curl your hair with the new T3 Micro convertible collection. You've probably seen them on Instagram because they are absolutely everywhere now, and that is for good reason because their tools are amazing and totally genius. The best part about it is you only need one wand now. So you buy your base as well as choosing the different tops that you would like, and they're totally convertible. So I have the 1.5 inch barrel for really loose waves. This is this one here. I also have the 1 inch barrel, which gives you tighter curls. And this one as well is a 1.25 down to a 75 at the bottom. And that one is for more tousled waves or kind of that mermaid look, which I'm going to be showing you today as well. So I'm going to show you how all three of them curl on my hair. And it's really, really easy to use. So you just plug it in. The attachment snaps in. You just line it up. Okay, snap it in, and then you just turn the dial here so that it says locked, and you're all set to go. That's it. Super easy. When it's cooled, you can unlock it, pull it straight out, and use a different one if you'd like. It's pretty genius because I just traveled with it when I went to Ontario last week, and it was awesome because I only had to bring one curling iron and I was able to bring different attachments. And if you're kind of scared of the wand, make sure that you wear the glove that it comes with so you don't burn your fingers. I personally always curl with a wand now just because you get more defined curls right from the top all the way to the bottom. But if you do like more defined on the bottom, you can always go for one of the clip options, the clip barrels that they offer. So check out their website, you can see everything, all the different attachments that you can choose from to buy. But I promise you, once you buy this, you probably will never buy another curling iron again. You'll just be adding different barrels if you want. But it gets to really high heat, which is awesome. That's how you know you've got a good curling iron, and that's how your curls last longer, is when you have a wand that has high heat, which this one does. It also has the adjustable setting here if you don't want it so hot. I always curl on the hottest just because I like my curls to last for days. I don't wash my hair very often with my extensions, so this works perfectly for me here in Calgary. All right, so I'm starting today with the 1 inch barrel, and I always take about an inch of hair when I start curling, and I wrap from the top down. I've got my glove on too. All right, holding. And the glove's great because then you can make sure you get your end right down to the bottom as well. And you don't need to hold very long because I have it on the high heat setting right now. There you go. That is what the 1 inch curl looks like. Again, it is pretty curly, but I like it because it does fall, which is great. So as I wear this style over the next couple days, it will fall and the curls will get bigger as well, but it makes the curls last longer because they were tight to begin with. Sometimes I find when I use the bigger barrel, they don't last as long because they fall quite loosely and they almost look straight after a few days. So I tend to go for the 1 inch barrel for my hair. Okay, here we go. Now I have the big guy. This is the 1.5 inch barrel, and I'm gonna show you now on this side how this one curls. So again, always wrapping from the top down. Go as high as you like because curls always fall, and this one has such loose curls. As I said, they fall pretty quickly. So there you can go. You can kind of see the difference between both. I mean, I love this one, but these ones eventually will fall as well. Let's do one more. I just find my hair is so thin that sometimes it just doesn't hold the big curls like I want it to. See, there you go. That is the difference between the 1 inch and the 1.5 inch. Okay, and last but not least, these are the mermaid hair. This one is a little tricky because you don't want to hold all the way to the bottom. So I usually leave about that much of an end off, just because it looks kind of silly if it's really tight at the bottom, and I don't like the way it looks. So as you can see, it gives you kind of that tousled undone look, which I really like. I'll show you up here. You can see how much the other curls have already fallen. I haven't put any hairspray product in them yet. So let's do this one again, holding the end. This looks really cute with short hair too, especially. And it's super fast to do because you don't have to hold the whole curl. And there you go, there's that one. So I really like this look too. It's kind of cool, a little bit more boho. And it will fall nicely as well because it's a tighter curl. So those are the 3 different ones that you can get with T3 Micro. There's actually quite a few more. I do love this set though because it kind of gives you lots of different looks to try. Always make sure I always use hairspray after to keep your curls lasting longer. And yeah, that's about it. Go check them out. Follow me on Instagram, Pursuing Pretty, and you can always check out my blog, www.pursuingpretty.com. Like and subscribe. Thanks guys for watching.